Good morning, or afternoon, wherever you are, even good evening. My name is Thomas, and I am the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. I refer to it as EOE a lot of times. I am getting ready for an event, as you can see by the thumbnail, can't talk. The thumbnail of this video, I'm already loaded up. This event is for an event planner friend of mine. She is in the same area as me as well. She does events. As a matter of fact, I'm going to insert some of her work. So as you can see, the sister is bad, right? So she had a mishap, reached out to me at the end of September and asked me if I was available today, asked me if I had anything booked. We did have some plans, but we pushed them off to the end of this month because I wanted to help her out. So I am pretty much setting up this event. The only thing that I'm using in this event that belongs to me is my easel stand, a few of my candle holders, my pipe and drape stands, and my hydrangea flowers. That's it. Everything else that you'll see in this video is hers. She already has it. She has a lot of inventory. Put my stuff to shame. When I say a lot, y'all seen my little 10 by 20 that I had my stuff put up, and y'all think that's a lot? I think she has 20 by 20s, and she has several of them that have linen, centerpieces, props, throne chairs. I mean, you name it, she has it. She's bad. Y'all saw in the work, so not gonna ramble on too much about that. This is supposed to be a 40th retirement party. No, what am I saying? This is supposed to be a retirement party for someone who was in the Air Force. The colors that she gave me were silver, kind of like a navy blue, not royal blue, navy blue, because you know sometimes navy blue, if it's light enough, it'll make you think it's royal blue. But those are the colors that she gave me. Like I said, everything that I'm using is hers. So I really can't tell you where I got the stuff from, because it ain't mine. But I'm excited about this event. It is about 40 minutes away from where I stay now. The reason I'm not driving, because y'all know I normally do this while I'm driving, is because my wife dropped the kids off and she's on the way back. So the time of the event is at 4:00 p.m. The time now is 10:51 a.m. We're giving ourselves time enough to get breakfast, and if we run into any traffic, we should be there by 12. I think the doors open at 12:30, but y'all know I push my luck. If they there at 12, I want to go in there. So I hate being in the way when the people come to bring their food and their treats and stuff. So not much to say in this video because, you know, I just want you guys to stick around. If you are new here and you know you like this kind of content, you know you just ran across my page and it's just what you always wanted to see. Especially with a man doing it, because not too many men do this. Not too many men are proud enough to do this. But go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Prayerfully, I have some good stuff coming for you. And then hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. I try to upload on Fridays or Saturdays. And yeah. And I want you guys to stick around for the rest of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Stay tuned.